Got a package for Mom and Dad for Christmas. I kind of know what's in there, but don't know the flavors. We'll see what we got. Cool. That's where we're from. Here we go. Full Valley cheese shirt. Love it. And it looks like we have some marbled cheese. Pepper jack. They got the best cheese in the world, folks. Look them up. Some Kobe. Swiss. Smoked Swiss. Jumpin' Jack. Lacy baby. Oh, I can't wait to break into this. And some sharp cheddar. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I love it. Best Christmas present ever. Never can go wrong with the cheese. Peace out.